Good morning students, welcome to our maths class. Now in the previous period we have completed exercise 3.2. Now let's start the next topic. Next topic is arc of a circle. Now what is mean by arc? A secant or chord divides a circle in two parts. So each part is called as arc of a circle. Now see here, AXB is a first arc and AYB is the second arc. AB is a secant. If secant divides circle in how many parts? Two parts. So these arc in two arcs. Now AXB is first arc AXB and arc AYB. These are the two arcs. Smaller arc is called as minor arc and major and bigger arc it is called as major arc. Now see here, what is how to find the measure of arc and what is mean by central angle. Now see here, what is mean by central angle? Angles formed by the two chords and angles formed by now angles formed by OA and OB. These two radii, angles formed by the radii, and say O is a center as a vertex. If vertex is center, then that angle is called as which angle? Central angle, that is theta, and always central angle is equal to measure of corresponding arc. Central angle is equal to measure of corresponding arc. Now which is the central angle? Angle AOB is equal to, what is the measure of central arc? Measure arc AXB. Measure of central angle and measure of corresponding arc is same. If we take this type of, now CD, now COB is equal to measure arc CD. If DB, then DOB, angle DOB is equal to measure arc DB. Central angle and corresponding measure arcs are always equal. These are called as measure of corresponding arc. This property is used in many examples. Now see here, what is mean by congruence of arc? Now there are two properties congruence of arc. If chords are equal, then angles formed by that chords are also equal and arc formed by that chords are also equal. Now see here, if AB is congruent to BC, then arc AB is also congruent to arc DC. Now if chords are given congruent, if chord AB is congruent to chord CD, if chords are equal, then measure arc AB is congruent to measure arc CD. If chords are equal, then corresponding arcs are also equal and corresponding arcs is equal to measure of central angle, and therefore angle AOB is equal to measure arc AB. And again here in this triangle, what you see here? Measure, therefore angle COD is equal to measure arc CD. If chords are equal, then corresponding arcs are also equal. It is the first theorem. And what is the second theorem? Now how will you solve the theorem? If chords are equal, now see here AB is congruent to CD, then AO and OB are the radii of same circle, CO and OD are the radii of same circle. Means which test is applicable here? SSS test. SSS test is applicable. Now if the sides are equal, then remaining angles are also equal. So here AB is congruent to CD. Now in second part, if measure of arc AB is congruent to measure arc CD. If arcs are given congruent, then you have to show that the corresponding chords are also congruent. Now see here, if arcs are congruent, then chord AB is congruent to chord C. If arcs are congruent, then chords are also congruent. If chords are congruent, then measure of arcs are also congruent. Here also, if AB is congruent to CD, means central angles are also congruent. AOB is congruent to COB, and then radii of semicircle, means which test is applicable? SAS test. By SAS test, these sides are also congruent. Sides are congruent means AB is congruent to CD. Means if AB is 15 and CD is also 50. Now if the chords are equal, then measure is also. Now it is 15, therefore AOB is also 15, COD is also 15. Measure of corresponding arc is equal to measure of central angle, and if the chords are equal, then arcs are also equal and corresponding central angles are also equal. Now see here, third point, measure of arc. What is the measure of arc? Total measure of arc is 360. Then fourth, measure of semicircle. Measure of semicircle is how much? 180. Measure of semicircle is 180. Now if you want to find out if this type of figure is given, now here see here, AXB is 120. AXB is how much? Arc AXB is 120. Therefore angle AOB is also how much? 120. And what is the measure of AYB? 360 minus 120, that is 240. Total measure of arc is how much? 360. So how here arc AB is given 120, so remaining arc you have to find out by subtracting from 360. Now see here, if AY and here Z is given, then you can take AY plus YZ plus ZB. What is the arc AB? Measure arc AY plus YZ plus ZB. You can add or subtract the arc. So students, write down these both the theorems. Two theorems are given. Which theorems? If chords are equal, then corresponding measure arcs are also congruent. And second theorem, if arcs are equal, then corresponding chords are also congruent. These theorems are given in your textbook. These are the activity based theorem. Write down these theorems and write down the definitions of arc of circle, measure of circle, central angle in your copy. I hope you understood this topic. We will take 3.3 in the next period. Thank you and have a nice day.